Good morning everyone. As in the last video we completed the chapter 3. Therefore today I am going to give you the extra dose in which we are going to learn more about the rounding. In the last video we learned about how to round the number to your nearest thousand, but today we are going to learn how to round a number to your nearest 10, to your nearest 100, like that. Right, so 3629 is the number that is given to you, and in the first part round to nearest 10 means you have to round this 3629 to your nearest 10. So the first step of rounding is to identify the rounding place. Here you are set round to nearest 10, therefore tens is your rounding place. The second step is to check the number just right to your rounding place. So the number just right to your rounding place is 9. Now check it whether it is greater than or equal to 5. 9 is greater than 5, therefore you have to add 1 to the number at the rounding place and make all the numbers right of the rounding place 0, while the numbers on the left hand side of the rounding place will remain as it is. And the same you can see here, 3 and 6 are on the left hand side of your rounding place, so 3 and 6 are as it is. However, 9 is on the right, therefore it has been converted to your 0. Here you need to add 1, so 2 has been converted to your 3. In this way you have to do the rounding. Now let's see how to convert this 3629 to the nearest 100. Now your rounding place is 100. Therefore, the second step is to identify the number just right to your rounding place. Is that greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5? So here you can see 2, which is less than 5. Therefore, all the digits which are on the right hand side of the rounding place will be converted to your 0, while the rounding digit will remain as it is because the digit right to it is less than 5. Moreover, the digits on the left hand side of the rounding place will also remain as it is. That is the reason 3 and 6 are as it is, rest all are your 0 0. You will be adding 1 to the digit at your rounding place only and only when your number just right to your rounding digit is equal to 5 or even greater than 5. If it is less than 5, then you don't have to make any sort of addition. Now there is one more question that I have done for you. It is 999,670. So in terms of place value, if I talk about, then it's going to be your 9,99,670, right? Now the question is round to nearest thousand. You have to round this number to your nearest thousand. So the first step is to identify the rounding place. So rounding place is your 1000 because you have to round to the nearest thousand. Now go as per the process that I have explained you a while before. Next step is to identify the number just right to your rounding place. Here it is 6. Now check whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5 or equal to 5. It is greater than 5, therefore you need to add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Rest all the digits on the right hand side of the rounding digit will be your 0. So first I am making all these digits which are on right hand side of the rounding digit 0. So here you can see 100, 10 and 1's digits are 0. Right. Now at the thousands digit you have to make the addition of 1. 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So 0 here at the thousand place. Now the 1 will come here as carry. 9 plus 1 again will give 10. So again 0 at the place of 10,000. The same one will come here. 9 plus 1 again will give you 10. So that's the reason at the lakhs place you are having 0. At the place of tens lakhs you are having 1. So finally your 9,99,670 has been converted to your 10 lakh. In this way you have to do all the questions which are in the MindSpark. Kindly log in and do that. That's the only work which is for today. Thank you. Have a good day.